By mid-November, the US dollar has risen by approximately 6% against its major peers. However, considerable overbought conditions may lead to the asset's consolidation sooner or later, primarily due to the profit taken. Not so long ago, Trump's statements boosted the dollar, and this week comments from leading financial policymakers in Japan, the United States, Europe have served as a counterweight. This trend will continue on November 21 and 22 and could spark further volatility in the currency market. A detailed schedule of speeches provided by policymakers will be provided at the end of this release. For now, let us find out what macroeconomic data is slated for release during these 2 days and how it may affect the market situation. You are watching Traders Calendar. Thursday, November 1 will hardly be an eventful day. Among the report of secondary importance are U.S. weekly jobless claims and manufacturing PMI for one of the states. If these figures align with the forecast, the US dollar may take another step down the trading charts. Initial jobless claims are expected to rise by a few thousand, signaling a cooler labor market. The Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index is also expected to show a decline, possibly reaching around 7 points. A weakening economy often leads to a weaker currency. Reports scheduled for Friday, November 22, could provide valuable insights into currency movements. This day, various countries will disclose their reports on the business activity indexes, including manufacturing, services, and the composite values. In Australia, all three indexes are likely to rise, with the composite PMI expected to hit 50.5 points. Such results would signal the strengthening of the Australian dollar. Inflation data often provoke stronger market reactions. However, the situation with the Japanese yen is complex, as the Bank of Japan is only beginning its currency strengthening measures. A decline in inflation could hinder this process. Following the report, the yen may fall deeper. However, the yen's decline might be short-lived. An hour later, Japan will publish its business activity figures, which may show a rise. The composite PMI, for instance, is projected to reach 49.9 points, nearing the expansion zone above 50 points. If these trends continue, Japan may reclaim its position among the world's top 3 economies. Meanwhile, Germany, which replaced it, is manifesting less optimistic results. Its GDP growth may slacken from 0 to minus 0.2% year-on-year. This raises the possibility of the Eurozone's largest economy falling into recession, which could drag the euro down with it. However, the Eurozone's composite PMI is in a strong position and is expected to climb to 50.3 points. Following the publication of the data, the euro might shift to consolidation or even see some gains. Recently, the Eurozone macroeconomic reports have generally lagged behind the US counterparts. For example, the US composite PMI, already above 54 points, is expected to increase even more to 54.3 points. And this could provide another reason for the greenback's appreciation. Please note that the time of publications is set in a GMT plus 3 time. The next video review of a trader's calendar will be issued on a Friday, November 22.